Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I remain your boy Lakey, and in this tutorial I'll be explaining to you the ultimate way of trading crypto. I believe you've actually expected something like this, and in our community we try to teach people how to be profitable while trading as either a crypto trader or a volatility index trader or as a forex trader. So basically, if you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever videos like this are being uploaded. So what we'll be discussing in this video is I'll be going in depth how you can actually open an account, the preferred exchange for you to open an account, and the reason why, and also platforms whereby you can also do analysis for trading, and softwares that can actually help you and aid your trading process. So I'll be discussing everything at length in this video. So this is going to be an encompassing video that once you watch this, you're good to go and you're good to start trading Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Now, this is a video that is second to none. Trust me, it's a second to none video, and a lot of persons have contacted me and they've been having issues on how can they start, where do they begin, where can they pick themselves up from, and but on this platform I'll be revealing a lot of these things to you. I'll be revealing a lot of them to you. So quickly, now, what is cryptocurrency, or what is crypto trading? Basically, crypto trading actually involves trading the cryptocurrency coins, that is the cryptocurrency market. And you really cannot talk about cryptocurrency without talking about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the pioneering coin that started the cryptocurrency market in itself. Now, there's nobody that can say he or she has not heard about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin in itself is majorly its influence. It influences most of the coins that we have in the markets. So it's always essential for you to actually understand and know what's happening in Bitcoin, to know what Bitcoin is all about. Then you can from there transfer that same knowledge to other cryptocurrencies, to other coins. So now in the crypto market, it's funny sometimes that a lot of traders just overlook some things, and it makes them lose a lot of money. So in this video I'll be explaining some important things why the crypto market is actually different from other kinds of markets, like the forex market, the CFDs, and the stocks, and every other kind of market. I'll be explaining to you the major reason why crypto market is different from all that, and how you can actually profit from its uniqueness. So quickly, the first thing you need to do is to head on to Binance.com and open an account. Yes, this is my preferred broker. This is my preferred broker for trading cryptocurrencies. Why is this? Is because Binance.com has a robust platform whereby your money is safe to a large extent. Yeah, because you must have heard previously that lots of individuals have hacked one or two brokers or cryptocurrency trading platforms in the past. So but this is one that is the security level is high, and they've been known for this for years. So Binance.com is a preferred broker. That's we call them exchange now. So but I'll just refer to them as broker, a cryptocurrency broker, but we'll refer to them as crypto exchange. So now there are lots of them out there, but you can actually do your research on that. But for the essence of this video, I'm giving you the best. I want you to have the best. That's why I'm sticking to Binance.com. Now Binance.com is necessary that before you type in before you put in your login details, it's necessary that you check your browser like this, and also check that you have this security SSL sign, which if you click on it to tell you that connection is secure. Then make sure that it is Binance.com. You can see the spelling, BINANCE.com. It's very necessary, very necessary. It's key, because there are so many fraudsters out there, and they're trying to actually take your money from you. So if you're not smart about it, trust me, you'll just be making money for some idiots to actually make a living. So do your due diligence to make sure that first of all you're trading on the right platform. Yep. So now once you've opened your account, the next thing you want to do is to actually check your email. Once you've signed up, and to sign up you can see the relevant link below. You just check the description, you will see a link to how you can actually sign up below. So this, why I did it is because you need to so that you can avoid such risk as I've mentioned earlier. One, then two, you also be signing up through me, so that you can actually enhance most of the benefits that I'll be making available in this community. So it's necessary that you follow me back to back, and also it helps you to also pick my brain also when I'm trading. Yeah, also now that also reminds me that we usually give insights on a weekly basis for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the pioneering cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so we usually give analysis on them on a weekly basis, preferably Mondays. So you could always come back to this channel. That's why I said it's good for you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and also click the bell button, so that you always get notifications on your phones or on your PC whenever we upload analysis or new insights or new videos like this. Now quickly, what I was trying to do in a nutshell, you notice that when you open your own Binance.com, you actually don't see something like what I have here. Yeah, so but it's very easy. Once you open Binance.com, this is not a page you get to. The first thing, but once you hit Binance.com, just select markets. Once you click markets, you see something like this. Yes, so now I usually don't trade off on Binance itself. What I mean is, I actually don't do my analysis on Binance itself. On Binance, I usually do my analysis on TradingView.com. So you also need to open an account with TradingView.com, though the account is a free account. Also, the account on Binance.com is also a free account. Nobody is charging you for it. But for you to start trading on Binance.com, you will need to put in some money. Yes, you need to put in cash, yes, into the system before you can start trading. So you can also demo trade. Yes, you can learn one or two strategies, demo trade, then from there once you've done that for like a week or two, and you see that, oh, it usually hits your target, you can paper trade. Yes, you know, you can set your target, your take profit, you can set your stop loss, you can set your entry period, you can always write that on paper. Yeah, because this does not work like the forex market, where on the MT4 or MT5 platform, where you can actually demo trade with virtual money. But on this platform, there is no such opportunity. So you can actually paper trade by, when you see an opportunity, you can write it on paper, you know, write your entry, then write your target, then write your stop loss. So then you monitor. You can do that for 2 weeks, and you see that, oh, this works out, you see that you made more profits than losses, then you believe that you're good to go. Then you can put in some cash to make some money for yourself. So this is the platform of Binance, and you can see the markets, all the markets that are available here. Now, the first thing I want you to notice is, you notice that there are different kinds of markets here. Some are USDT, some are Bitcoin, some are Ethereum. Yes, so that's what I needed to understand. Now, as for me, I like to trade with the USDT. Yes, I like to trade with the USDT. I like to trade with the USDT. Why? Simple. Now, the USDT in itself is a cryptocurrency that tends to that was designed to be equal in value with the US dollars. Now, USDT in itself, you can see this USDT here. USDT means US dollars, United States dollars theta. So if you check its value, you can Google it, and check USDT value against dollar. You notice that its value against dollar is always like 0.999999999 cents, which is approximately $1 to 1 USDT. So now this initiative came about because a lot of persons were having issues trading Bitcoin against the dollar, and they wanted to trade Bitcoin against dollar, and there were so many misconceptions, there were so many issues, and most of the dollar coins were not actually in sync with the actual dollar, fiat dollar now. So that was why the USDT initiative came about. So the cryptocurrency moves alongside with the actual fiat USD, which is the dollar now. So I always employ that if you want to do your trading, stick to trading against the USDT. Now there are different coins, and you can see all. You can see BNB markets, you can see BTC markets, you can see alt markets, fiat markets. So if you click fiat market, you see lots of markets. You'll be seeing you can see BUSD, like I told you. There are different types of USD coins. Yeah. So, but the thing is, you need to work with only USDT when you are dealing with the dollar against other cryptocurrencies. So I needed to mark that. I need to understand that. So now, once you click fiat markets here, you just click USDT here. So that's it. So you can see all the markets that are available for you here. So everything that you have here, we are certain and you are guaranteed that they are all against the USDT, which is the actual dollar. Now on this platform, you can see that. Let me show you this. On this platform, can you see this? Okay, can you see that on this chart now? You can see the pairs, you can see your last price, you can see the 24-hour changes, which is a percentage. You can see 24-hour high, the low. You can see the market cap. You can see the 24 hours volume. Yeah. So another website I like to check is the CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies, and you can filter them against the dollar or against BTC. Yeah, there's what we call pairing. Yeah, you know, in forex markets, you hear things like US dollar, the euro against the dollar. You hear things like the GBP, which is the Great Britain pounds against the dollar. So that's what we call pairing. That is putting two different currencies against themselves. That's what we call pairing, currency pairing. So like this now, this is BTC against the USDT. That's Bitcoin against USD Theta, Ethereum against USD Theta, Link against USD Theta, like that. XRP is the Ripple. That's Ripple against the USD Theta. And we have Waves. BNB is the Binance coin. That's the Binance platform. This is their own coin. So you can also trade other cryptocurrencies against their own coin. If you check here, you should be able to see. Oh, sorry. You can see BNB markets. You can see BNB markets. Sorry, everything here, they are all fiats. You can see euro. You can see GBP euro. You can see the Nigerian naira. You can see ruby, South African ruby, and you know ZA. So I mean, so it's sorry, I think this is South African rather. I think this should be South African. Sorry about that. You can see the Australian dollar. Yeah, you can see the true USD, but forget about this. It's also USD. But if you're dealing with the dollar itself, if you want a coin that has the same value with the dollar and moves in sync with the dollar, I would advise you work with USDT. So you can actually trade other markets. You can see, let's check BTC markets. You will understand what I'm saying now. You can see that everything here, these are the coins. You can see that they are all against the BTC here. So the BTC, so the crypto market, in fact, it's limitless. It's limitless. That's why I said trading with Binance is lovely, because you have all sorts of opportunities. You have all sorts of ranges that you can actually trade. In fact, you can decide. There's no way you won't see at least an opportunity to trade daily. There is always an opportunity to trade daily. That's the truth. But now, that will now bring me later on to the strategy of you trading. That is the reason why, to reduce and minimize your losses, I always advise that you trade on larger time frames. Don't worry, when we get to the platform that I actually do my analysis, I will explain that much better. So you're advised rather, a lot of persons like to work with lower time frames, but I would advise to filter the noise and to get more profitability and to avoid losing money, and also charges, which is the reason why I want you to be on Binance, because the charges of Binance is lower than other cryptocurrency platforms and exchanges. So it's necessary for you to actually work with Binance. So for now, I'll give you the opportunity in your leisure. Just try to check the platform. You can actually work with you can actually check them and see for yourself how each of these things work. Yeah, you can check how each of these things work, and I believe you're good to go on that. Yeah, good to go on that. So now the next thing I want to show you, the next stage after you've got yourself conversant with this platform, which is the Binance platform. Now the next thing is how I do my analysis. After you've signed up and you've created an account, you will send you an email. That email, it will require that you verify your account. Once you verify it, you're good to go. Then if you have some cash, you can actually use your credit card to actually add money to buy Bitcoin, and to be in your wallet. So, or you can use exchanges, whichever. So now the next thing is we're moving over to our tradingview.com. Now, lest I forget, on this platform, which is the Binance platform, they also have their own chart. They also have their TradingView chart. They also have their own Binance chart. Share, understand? But it's sometimes it tends to be tedious for me to do my analysis, and sometimes, being that I have more flexibility on TradingView, so I always like to move out to TradingView. But whenever I want to place my trade, I can place my trade here. Also, you can also download their app. You can download their app. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you should be able to see the Binance app. You have to see the Binance app. You will see the Binance app. This list is quite long, so you should be able to, you will get a link where you can actually download the Binance app. Yeah, okay, you should be able to get the link to download the Binance app. Okay, products, let's see. Alright, this is actually not here, but I think what you need to do is just go back to, okay, you can see downloads. Yes, yeah, right here you can see downloads. So once you just click on downloads, then you will see links to their apps, links to all their apps, links to all, but both the mobile and the Android app, and so on. So then you can also click here. Then if you have a QR code scanner, you can actually scan the one that you want. You can just scan this to download, or you can just click on this and just take you straight to the APKs. So that's that on TradingView. Now that's that on Binance. Then to TradingView. Now this is the platform where I actually do my own analysis. This is where I do my analysis, and the reason why I do my analysis is because I have more flexibility. I have more opportunity to do. I have more opportunity to see how the market really works. So now the first thing I do is I come to my chart here. I just come here and you can just click on charts, then to just take you straight to your chart. This is my own chart here. I've opened it up already. Okay, I opened my chart up here already. So this is my own chart. So right here you can actually have everything to yourself. Okay, let me take my time to delete all this so that we can actually have a view of everything I'm talking about. Okay, all right, so let me delete this, I'm deleting this, I'm deleting this. Delete and delete. All right, so yeah, so now we have a plain chart. Now as to trading using Bitcoin trading view, one thing I like to work with, like I explained to you, is I like to check higher time frames, which is either 4-hour or daily chart. Now it's very key. Now let me explain why I choose to work this way. Bitcoin, or sorry, the cryptocurrency market in itself works in such a way that there are pumps and there are dumps. Now what do I mean by pumps and dumps? Pumps and dumps are basically like the spikes, in the sense that, look, for instance, you notice that from here the market spiked to here, and if you check it, it's actually in a short period of time. Yes. Now that is how the that's how volatile the cryptocurrency market is. It's very volatile. It's very volatile, and you have to be very sensitive and to be very careful when trading the crypto market, so that you don't make mistakes, so that you don't make unnecessary mistakes and make a lot of losses. So now the strategy that I use is very simple. It's very simple, and I'm going to be showing you right now. Now, if you want to catch early spikes, what do? It's simple. The first thing you need to do is I go to my higher time frame, either the 4-hour or the daily time frame. Then I make use of some indicators. Now the first indicator I use is let me open them up for you. So the first indicator I usually use the moving average. I like to use moving averages. Moving averages help me to filter the market, in the sense that it takes away a lot of guessing from the whole market, from whatever from what the chart is saying. So all I need to do is to add that to my chart, and I'm good to go. I don't know why this is quite slow, but just bear with me. Alright, so we're up. So the first thing I like to add my moving average. Okay, I like to add my moving average. Yes. So now I like to add the moving average exponential. Alright, so but I will advise that you make use of this. So you can just search for this in your own, because you might not have this. Just search for this 4 EMA. You see this Philancon. Yes, you can see 6,066. So just click on this. So you can just click on this, and it will open up everything for you. Okay, it's taking time to load up, but just don't worry, it's gonna come up. Alright, so this is it. This is the market for you. Now you can see, let me open. So now to actually, the indicator I open here is already shown here. You can see the indicator is shown here. Now you can change the settings by clicking this gear button right here. Yes, sorry, I'm getting a hang already on this also, but notwithstanding, Yeah, let's move on. Okay, so the settings again for this moving average. Yes, you notice that we have 4 lines. You can see the first one is blue, we have the purple, we have the orange, then we have the yellow. Yep, so these are the settings. The first one, they are all EMAs. EMA means exponential moving average. We have different types of moving average. We have the simple moving average, we have the exponential, we have the linear weight, we have the smoothed. But for the purpose of this, I'll be using the exponential moving average. On Ulysses, you can check the differences between them, but the exponential moving average is not a lagging indicator like the others, or like the simple moving average. The exponential moving average is a leading indicator in the sense that it moves as the market moves, but the disadvantage with it is you might have a lot of noise, unlike the simple moving average, because simple moving average is a lagging indicator. That one calculates and gives you and draws patterns on your chart after a candle has closed. But for the exponential draws patterns as the candle is opening and closing, as it's moving up and down throughout this movement, is creating changes. So that is why on the exponential moving average you will find a lot of retracing. That is, you can see that the candle you might see that at the beginning of the candle, the moving an exponential moving average can be pointing upwards, but by the time it ends, by the time the candle is done, it might end up pointing downwards. That's what we call repainting. So, but why I like it is because it actually gives me, it's a leading indicator in the sense that it tells you what is to come, not what has happened. Yeah, so that's the difference between an EMA and an SMA, which is simple moving average. So now the settings that we have here, we have 9, we have 13, we have 21, we have 55. You can actually work with this. You can work with this. Okay, you can actually work with this because these are actually standard periods that are being used. So once you're done, you click OK. Alright, now what I want you to see is this. You realize that whenever, let me zoom this a bit. Let me zoom this a bit. Okay, you notice that whenever the moving averages are in line with each other, you can see that they are all in accordance. They all follow sequentially in the up direction. You notice that the trend is strong. That's a strong uptrend. You can see this was where they scattered and they were sequential. So you can enter right here and you write the trend all through. You can enter right here and you write the trend all through. Okay, let's see how much would have made from here. So from here you can write the trend all through to sorry, you can write the trend all through to here. Can you see that you would have made a 28% profit, which means if you put $100 and you enter this trade, you would have made $28 in a sweep, just like that. Yeah, just like that. So that's how it works. Then the same thing here also. You can also come here. You can also come here. You can see that the market dropped. It crossed here. At this cross here, notice that there was a lot of noise, which is consolidation, and you see that they were not sequential anymore. They didn't follow themselves sequentially. So you can see that there was a breakout here also. They followed themselves sequentially. Then you can enter again. then you can make another profit of 4%, like that. So this is how you can actually swing trade. As for me, I'm a swing trader. A lot of persons like to day trade, but now the difference between day trading, scalping, and swing trading is, now if you want to scalp, you can only scalp, you can basically scalp on smaller time frames, yes, so that you can get more opportunities. Now, but as for me, I always like to swing trade, and I do that on a larger time frame because it helps me to filter out noise in the market. It helps me to filter out noise in the market. Now, another thing I want to show you is this. I want to add another indicator, which is called the RSI. Yeah, that's the RSI. Okay, the relative strength index. Okay, so now the relative strength index, okay, let's see, it's kind of lagging a bit, but all right. Okay, it's still loading it on this system. Okay, let's see. I just want to quickly explain something to you about the RSI. Okay, the RSI is loading up. The RSI is loading up. It's loading up. I want to explain to you on the reason why I like to use the higher time frame for my analysis. Okay, now here I'm going to delete this when it's done. Now this is it. Let me drop my chart back a bit. Yes, now Bitcoin in itself is a very volatile market, and it's a market that requires you to be very careful. Now, like I explained to you, we have pumps and we have dumps. The only way you can work effectively and without issues is to enter when the market has dropped. Now, the cryptocurrency market is a market that you only make money when you only make money when you buy, when the market is going up. Now, if Bitcoin is at 5,000 and you place your entry at 5,000 and Bitcoin shoots up to 4,000, sorry, Bitcoin shoots up to 10,000, automatically you have made 100% profit, which means from 5,000 the market doubled itself. You added another 5,000. That's an 100% profit. So which means if you put 50,000 naira, sorry, if you put $100, it means that you'd have made $100 in return. That's what it means. So, and this could happen in a matter of days, or a matter of hours, because the market is very, very volatile. It's very, very, very volatile. Now, the RSI in itself, I'm trying to close this so that we can actually, okay, yeah, the RSI in itself gives you much visibility, in the sense that you'll be able to see where the market touches the oversold region. Now let me explain the oversold region to you. Now, when the market goes above 80 on the RSI, it is over. But when the market drops below 20, it is oversold, but the conventional levels is 70 and 30. For overbought it is 70, for oversold it is 30. Now, like I told you, you only make money in the crypto market when the market is moving up, which is you are buying. So what do? You want to wait for the market to drop to 30 or close to 30 before you start considering a buy signal. What am I saying? Good. Now, patience is key when trading. It's always key. It's always key. Now, see what I'm talking about here. This is what I'm talking about here. Now, if you notice, Bitcoin dropped here. You can see Bitcoin dropped here, then went up here before continuing downwards. You'd have made, no matter how small, you'd have made some profit from this. Bitcoin also dropped here and made its way up before continuing downwards and even moving upwards a bit. Good. So if you had entered here and came out here when it was oversold, you would have made a little bit of profit. Okay, let's look at this. You entered here and you came out here, you would have made a 4% profit. Good. Now let's look at this. Let's look at another good scenario. You can see here that the market got close here. So if you had entered here, you would have made up to this level here. Now this is where you actually combine the two together, in the sense that if the market enters here, the market dropped below 30 here, and you can wait till you see that the market is moving upwards. That is where the market is dispersing, the moving average are dispersing, which is here, right on this candlestick here. You can enter. Once you enter here, you can ride the wave until you see that these two here, you can see that there's a cross here of this blue on the purple. So you can enter right here and exit right here. So basically that's one of the strategies that you can actually use to actually make the market. If you don't want to use this if you don't want to use the RSI, you can actually make use of this also. You can make use of this also. So that's how you can actually trade off the TradingView platform. So you can use other cryptocurrencies. You can check them. Just click on here and just type any cryptocurrency you want to use. You can use the XRP. You can use the XRP. So you can just click cryptocurrency, so that it only brings out things that are related to XRP under cryptocurrency market. Then it will show you a list. My internet is a bit slow today, but so if you just see a list here, then you can select XRP against BTC, XRP against the dollar, XRP against whatever you want to trade XRP against. So that's how the market actually works. That's how the trading actually works. So it's quite straightforward and easy. Now another one I want to show you is this, the trading room. I've actually created a tutorial on this, so I'm going to put the link down below so that you can also benefit from the video and you can understand how it actually works. So basically this helps to filter a lot of things. You can see that there's so many cryptocurrencies here, and all of them here are on Binance market. You can see Binance. You can select any market that you want, but I usually use Binance. Then you can see the RSI here. This is the RSI. Then also you could also filter based on time frame. You can see the time frame, the 4-hour time frame I use, daily time frame that I use. So you can filter them, and you can look for any of them that's on the RSI is below 30. You can scroll down and look for those that have RSI below 30. You'll see them marked red, just like these ones that are marked blue are the ones that are above 70. That is the overbought. So you can see marked red, they're over 30 here. So I'm looking for H4 or daily time frame. So just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, all right, you can see these ones. You can see this is against BTC and it's below 30. You can see this is below 30 here. You can see the same thing with TNT BTC. So what I need to do, you can see that they've had minus 45%. So what do on such occasions like this? Once I have seen this TNT to BTC, I just come to my chart here and I open and I search for TNT to BTC, yes, on my TradingView platform here. So once I search for that, then I just wait for the spike, like I told you. That is, you wait for when your so you just put in your TNT to BTC here, then you wait for, just like I told you here, you wait for your moving averages to be sequential. Then you will know that a spike has started happening. Then you can place your trade and enter and wait for it to reach the top. Then you exit and you exit your trade, you take your profit. So this is the easy way of actually trading cryptocurrency that you won't see elsewhere. So if you like this video and you enjoyed the tip I gave to you and the intro, I'll implore you to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever videos like this are being uploaded. Also, if you want to be part of our Telegram community where we drop signals from time to time, and also there's a freebie in the Telegram group. The Telegram group, there is a free tutorial and a free strategy where you can actually trade volatility indices, which is the volatility 75, volatility 100, volatility 50, boom and crash, and the likes. A strategy that can help you to trade successfully the volatility index. So if you want the free tutorial, just join the Telegram group below and you gain access to the free tutorial. Also, want to grow this channel to a 1,000 group. Yeah, once we reach a 1,000, sorry, I meant 1,000 subscribers. The moment we reach the 1,000 subscribers, we will be getting the ultimate strategy that I use to trade the markets, which is the Forex market and the volatility market. My own personal strategy. I'll be giving out my own personal strategy, whereby you don't have to sit in front of a system all day, you don't have to monitor trades all the time, and you can catch bigger trends whereby you milk the markets for long. So wow, that's going to be my free gift to everyone in this community the moment we hit 1,000 subscribers. So also check back every Monday for our analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that you can know what to expect every week on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'd like to see you once again, and always come back to get the best of the best of the best. So see you later.